Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiera.amber here, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is sponsored by Luvmehair. So thank you so much to Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video. Let's get into this wig. So this is a 24-inch 7x6 HD closure wig. And babes, look at this parting space. You have parting space for days. Comes with these beautiful wand curls. You have your elastic band as well as 3 combs so that you can secure this wig in place. It also does have a breathable cap, so you do have access to your scalp while the wig is on. And look at all the goodies that this wig came with. Like, come on, branding. Even the beauty blender had Love Me printed on it. Like, Love Me is doing their big one, okay? I really like how they provide you with cards on how to take care of your wig, common wig issues, how to return the wig if you're not completely satisfied with it. It just keeps you very informed. Let's get into the installation. This wig by Luvmehair was by far the easiest wig that I have ever installed in my life. Everything is done for you on this wig, which is so great, especially for my beginners who don't really know how to install wigs and they just want something quick and easy and simple. This is the wig for you. The only thing that I did was apply a wig cap. I put a little bit of makeup on the actual wig cap itself, but I didn't even have to do that. I put some makeup on the lace, I plopped it on, and if you wanted to, you head out the door just like that. But with me being me, I'm a little bit extra. I love to have a melted looking lace. So I went ahead and put some lace spray on there just so that it could really melt into my skin. I separated the wand curls a little bit to give me more of that big fluffy look. And yeah, like that was pretty much it. And again, let's talk about this part. It's just so deep. Like, I love a good deep side part. They definitely did not skimp you out on this lace. You have so much parting space. So even if a side part really isn't your thing, you can definitely do a good deep middle part as well. You have 7x6 inches of parting space, which I think is amazing because nowadays these companies skimp you on the lace. Look how natural the hairline looks. Make sure that that lace spray is tacky. If it's not tacky, it's not gonna stick, okay? I did absolutely no plucking. I did not bleach the knots. I did not cut the lace. I didn't even have to hot comb this thing because it already came flat. But of course I did because again, I'm extra. This is one of the easiest wigs I had ever installed. It is advertised to be glueless, so you definitely can use no glue, no lace spray, no anything. As far as styling, I didn't have to do anything much. It already came with these bouncy, gorgeous wand curls. I just re-wand curled spots that I felt like got a little bit frizzy from me breaking through the hair and separating the curls a little bit. Styling this wig was a breeze. The only thing that I can say that is kind of a negative about this wig is as I was finger combing through the hair, I did experience a little bit of shedding. But yes, y'all, I highly recommend this wig if you're looking for something that's real quick and real easy. Luvme is the company to go to. That's about all I have for this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Make sure you are clicking the bell so that you are notified anytime I upload another video. I love y'all so much and I appreciate y'all for watching and for your continued support. Love y'all so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Chapter 2, let's rock, let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Not stop with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you.